Hi, I'm Toby Bergstrom, but if you're watching this video, you probably recently saw me from this angle. And you probably already know that manufacturing makes everything that makes our society possible. You probably also know that the biggest problem facing manufacturing today is a shortage of skilled labor and the fact that our most experienced people will have to retire by 2030. Except that isn't actually the biggest problem facing manufacturing today. Oh, it's a problem. It's a big problem. And I dedicated most of the last 20 years of my life to filling that skills gap. But it's not the biggest problem. No, the biggest problem we're facing is that over 70% of manufacturing in the US happens in businesses with fewer than 50 employees, and most of them are owned by people who need to retire. The problem with that is too many of these business owners don't have any kind of exit strategy, and too many of them simply end up closing their business, laying off their people, abandoning their customers. That's why we created Phreatic. And if you or someone you know owns a manufacturing business and doesn't have a clearly defined exit strategy, one that will allow their business, its legacy, and its people to continue to grow and prosper into the future, you need to click on the link below right now to find out how we can help.